in Santorini today, and what we're gonna do?
We're gonna do another POV shoot. We woke up very early in the morning for sunrise over there.
Here we go, just over there, getting there.
And this time we're gonna do a 5-minute challenge.
Alright, so today we have a 5 minutes POV challenge, shooting on a 6D Mark II 70-200 f2.8 lens we're gonna use, and I believe that's pretty much it. Not even wasting time. See you on the beach side.
See you on the beach side.
Ciao guys! What happened with our mics?
They gone.
Unfortunately we didn't charge them, so...
Yeah, so you're not gonna hear us properly, probably, but who cares? You're gonna see beautiful images.
Hopefully.
Okay. Did I press it? I did. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, but the light is amazing. Okay. It's boring here. It's boring. It's boring. Yes, I don't like running on the rocks barefoot. Oh. Last time we did go somewhere there, no? Oh no. I don't know where I am. Oh! And it's so blue, everything. Oh, and the cables. Oh yes. No. Quickly. Oh yes, please. Okay. It's too dark. No. Oh my god, people are waking up at this time already. It's not only us. Oh, beautiful. Perfect. What else is here? Another tower. And a church. It's too dark. Oh, there is nothing here. Oopsie. Fuck. There is nothing in here. You? No. No.
Maybe not.
How can I? There is lamp. No. Okay, sunset is my sunrise. Is my only.
30 seconds.
Nah. Oh, too dark. Let's fix it.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over.
That wasn't the best.
No?
Definitely not.
Why? What happened?
I don't know.
But you have that one.
I know. Well, they come into sometimes. Yeah. I think you might be useful. And let's see who you can come up.
Alright, let's do it.
Yes.
Okay, so cancel.
Right.
Alright, 3. I can press it.
2.
1.
No.
Go, let's go. Vertical, horizontal, both way, please. Easy. Oh, yes. Okay, next.
Oh no, oh no. Okay.
So beautiful. I love Greece.
Do you?
Very easy to photograph. Oh, out of focus. Ooh. I love these blue buildings. They look amazing. Looks like an angel. Oh. Ooh. That's gonna be a complicated shot, but I do it because why not? It's too. Focus, please. Okay, that's the job. Ooh, but the sun is in a perfect spot.
Yeah, now it's super strong.
Yeah, I'm having a bit of difficulties to focus. But the colors are just amazing. Is the 70 a bit too close, no? Ah no, actually I like it. Okay, how are we doing with time? I have 1 minute left. Oh my goodness, that went quick. Lovely. Okay. Perfect. What else to shoot? Uh-oh, it's time.
Uh-oh.
Okay, this is counted still.
Finito.
Benito, I was very happy with the pictures.
Yeah?
We got some these beautiful golden hours. Absolutely. So I think that's it. Pretty much.
We
We're
can
done.
cut.
We did a great job.
Boom.
And then we're just gonna jump on it and edit a little bit and probably do a final footage, how it calls that thing. Help me here, please.
Zoom up.
Sum up. We're gonna do some sum up here. So, see you later.
Hello.
Hello guys.
Hello, Christoph.
Hello Kaya. How are we doing?
We're doing great, thank you. How are you?
Very good, very good. How was the photo shoot?
Was okay. I wouldn't say it was amazing. I thought it'd be much more simple considering it was 5 minutes, not 3 like last time. But I think I didn't have my coffee, so I was pretty sleepy. I will find any excuse. But yeah, I think we have some images. I hope, at least.
Definitely.
How was your?
To be fair, what I saw on the camera so far, I was very happy with the images. I got that beautiful golden hour colors back, so hopefully with some edits we're gonna pop them up and they're gonna look great, and I'm gonna win this little...
Yeah, you wish I could win with my eyes closed.
Alright, this not sure. Alright, so that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this little short video
Show.
or show, and see you in the next one.
See you in the next one. Where do you think we're gonna do the next one?
Very great. There was Italian option, I believe, or we will see. Maybe.
Okay, yeah, maybe. I think
Maybe
that's a great idea. We need to do one in London though.
Where?
In London.
Ah, yes, absolutely. I mean, if we leave there already, it would be nice to finally do one over there. By the way, your mics should be in the other way.
Which way? Which way?
So you hide it, then you have just a little on. Now it's too late.
No one sees. Like that.
Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Click that button.
And see you in the next one.
Bye.